Hi guys, today I'm going to talk about making mistakes in crochet. Usually I unravel and go back to where the error is and correct it. But most of the times if the mistake is just one stitch in the round, I do not unravel the stitches. And I'll show you how to correct the mistake. So you can see where I made a mistake here. On the previous round, instead of making 3 double crochets on top of 3 double crochets, I just made 2 double crochet and skip one. I did not make a double crochet on the last double crochet right there. So I'm going to correct it on the next round. I just discovered it as I crochet the next round. So what I do is I will make a triple crochet. This is a double crochet round, and I need to correct this mistake from previous round, a double crochet mistake. So I'm gonna make a triple crochet like that and insert the hook on the previous round where the mistake is, where I omitted a double crochet, and yarn over and draw up like I'm going to finish the triple crochet. So after making one yarn over and drawing up through loop on hook, then I will insert the hook into the chain 3 stitch and yarn over and pull up a loop. Then I will yarn over and pull up a loop through 2 loops on hook. Then yarn over and pull up a loop through 2 loops on hook. Then yarn over and pull up a loop through 2 loops on hook. So there is the correction. Then you just continue following the same instruction for the current round as if no error had ever happened. Thank you all for watching, and I hope this short video helps you with your crochet projects. Thank you very much.